Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, So Luxury Chick. So today I will be doing a super exciting unboxing on while we doing a Baggu unboxing, and I am super excited to unbox this for you guys and show you guys what I got. Baggu is just becoming pretty addictive to me. It's like my main bag company right now. I don't know, it's just so easy. I love it. So one thing that I wanted to do in my videos is start out my videos by saying a few affirmations, just to make sure I stay grounded and calm in my videos. I know sometimes, especially as a new YouTuber, you can be extremely nervous to be on camera, and I am that type, definitely. So I just want to say these affirmations out loud, and maybe you guys can say them with me, just to ground yourself and to remind yourself of who you are before going out to the world. So the first affirmation is: I am divine, I am connected, I am expressive, I am loved, I am strong, I am creative, I am safe. I am gonna say I am expressive again. So that's it. So let's get to the juiciest part of this video, which is the Baggu. It's so funny because I ordered something from Baggu before and they did not have these funky cute bags, but these are so cute. So let me go ahead and get this opened for you guys. I'm so excited. When I saw the new drop of the colors that they were dropping, like the fall colors, I would say, I think it's called the fall colors, I was like, I gotta get every color. Like, how can I not? It's just too good. Like, why y'all doing this to me? I just bought like 3 bags from y'all. Like, leave me alone. But the colors that they came out with, specifically these colors that I'm about to show you, I was in love with, and they spoke to my soul, so I just had to get them. So this is just a little cloud Baggu ticket. Woo! I already see them. I'm so excited. So as you probably already saw, the first one that I went for was I think this is the crescent bag, the medium crescent bag, and I got the color extra pink. I don't know about you guys, but pink is my jam. I love pink so much. I love the color, and I'm so excited because this is beautiful. Honestly, in person, it looks more like a magenta. It looks more like a plummy pink. It's not that Barbie pink that we're seeing these days. It's like a plummy pink, but it's still beautiful. It's still a unique color, and it has just a purple hue in it, it looks like to me, which is fine. So this is the crescent bag, and this is in the size medium. I did see when I was ordering that they had a size large as well. I don't know if I don't know. I just feel like the large is just unnecessarily big, and it just wouldn't fit my everyday life. So yeah, so this is the medium crescent bag. So excited to wear this. And this can be adjusted very long, or you can wear this as a short shoulder bag, which I'm so sorry guys, my video went out again. Of course, I'm not sure. I have to get a new USB cord or whatever those little things are called, because my video keeps going out, so sorry about that. The next color I haven't even saw. I looked in the bag, but I haven't saw it yet. I was excited about this color because this color is something that you can wear every day, and I feel like you can definitely dress it up and down with the color that it is, and you don't really have to think too much about your outfit bag with this color. I feel like it's very versatile, and it can go with many different outfits and colors. So I was happy to find a color that is a different color other than black, that can still go with everything. So this is the color. This one, I forget what this one is called. Let me look on the ticket. Okay, it's just called brown. So I'm surprised they didn't have like a fancy name for it, but this is the brown fanny pack. So this is the same as the avocado fanny pack that I recently did a review on, or what's in my bag on. And this, you can adjust the strap to go as a fanny pack around your stomach, which I told you guys I do not like the look of that, for me at least. Or you can wear it on your shoulder, which is more than likely how I'll be wearing it, or crossbody. I love the crossbody look. It almost, like when you stretch out the strap long enough, it looks very good crossbody. It doesn't look like that typical fanny pack look. I don't know if you guys remember, like back in the day, the fanny packs, they kind of were like just a specific type of shape, and you probably wouldn't be able to get away with wearing that crossbody and it still look good. But this is a perfect shape and the perfect size for you to be able to switch it up however you like to wear it. So yeah, so this is the color brown. I love this brown. This is pretty true to what I saw online. This gives me coffee chestnut vibes. I don't know, it's some red in this too, I feel like, but it's a very good neutral color for you to grab if you wanted a new everyday bag that you can wear with more, like I would say most things, not everything, but most things you could probably wear this with. And I just love this style of bag. I was kind of debating if I should have got the pink in this bag and then if I should have gotten the brown in the crescent bag, but I think I made the right decision because the crescent bag specifically, this bag is more fun, so I feel like you can really just create a vibe with this bag. And this is kind of like, okay, it's a fanny pack, and I don't know, this just basically, I don't know, but I felt that I got the right colors. But at first I was thinking, should I have gotten the pink in this, because I just love the pink so much. But I'm honestly glad I got it in this, because like I said, that's more of a fun style of bag. So I'm super excited to wear that and dress that up and style that with my current wardrobe. But yeah, so this, I mean, this is all I really have to show about this, but this is very, like I said, it's flexible, like it's, okay, I know I didn't just call it back flexible, but you get my point. It's very stretchy, and this, I just love this style of bag. You can fit so much stuff in here. And the crescent bag, don't get me started on the crescent bag. I will have to do a review for you guys soon, because I do have the black crescent bag as well. But I will have to do a review for you guys, because that bag is like the superwoman of bags. Like, you could fit your whole life in that bag, literally. Like, that is a true statement, and that's a good thing, because you just never know if you need to go out of town or if you want to go for a quick trip. You know, women, we tend to carry more things in our bags, and I like to have that option, just because you never know when you're gonna need to switch it up, when you may need to, I don't know, it's just a good option to have a bag that can carry a lot of things. And you can make it smaller or bigger, like the crescent bag, which I really admire that about the bag. So yeah, I just wanted to unbox this with you guys. I can't get over this cuteness, but I just wanted to unbox these bags for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video.